Now project, a 30-day challenge focused on helping you take action in your life today. Not someday, not tomorrow, but now. If you want an introduction to the series, you can check out the welcome video down below. But each week we'll be choosing a different topic or theme, and this week I went ahead and chose the theme of mindfulness. Frankly, because I felt like it was something that kept coming across my life in 2018, but I wasn't really fully implementing it. So this year, I thought it'd be a really good foundation for this challenge so that we're kind of setting the foundation of mindfulness and kind of building from there. So each day we're gonna be talking about a different topic like mindful eating or meditation or how to be mindful in everyday practices. And today I woke up at 7 a.m. and I went to go meditate. I filmed it, and so hopefully you enjoy this. And in fact, I have challenged myself to meditate for all 30 days of this challenge. So if you want to join me, let me know in the comments and be like, I'm doing this too, yo! And don't forget that the themes are chosen by you. So if you have a theme or topic idea that you want us to tackle in the next 6 weeks, leave it down below in the comments. And if you're reading the comments, go ahead and give the comments that you want, the topics you want, a thumbs up so that I know which one to choose. When I had the idea to start this challenge, the first person that came to mind was...
Hi, my name is Emil Pine.
Emil is the most knowledgeable person I know on alternative living and meditation and Chinese medicine. So I knew he was the perfect person to help me on day one. So we went up to a hike and we saw some of the most amazing views, and that in itself was kind of a meditation.
We are going to meditate with a poem, the poem of the human being, the poem of the creation, the poem of how you feel in your heart, how to connect to God, or maybe to yourself, or maybe with your emotions at the same time with this poem. This is the step of close your eyes, just to being calm, focus on your muscles, and then get inside of your heart. Once you are in there, let everything to be in a stream of the mind, in a stream of your consciousness. Then try to enjoy everything that happens in your life. Try to feel, try to listen, try to feel the sensation of the nature. Exactly as the sound of the birds, everything will be inside of your inner self. Just meditate, and everything that we are going to live, so you can feel it in your work, you can feel it in your car, you can feel it in your family, with your children, whatever. You can find every special moment to have the meditation within, okay? So just calm your mind. No matter if you don't know how to, just relax, find out a special place that you can sit, and then close your eyes and get inside of your mind, inside of your inner self. That's all. Try to avoid any thoughts that you have. Just try to enjoy the life. That is the key.
So I just finished the first meditation of the month. So my goal is to meditate every single day of this 30-day challenge, which is really, really fun, but also kind of intimidating for someone who hasn't really developed a meditation practice. I've meditated throughout the year at different points, but never consistently. So it's really fun, and I'm really glad I got to start off meditation number 1 with my friend Emil, because it was so good to be guided in such a beautiful place, and I did find myself getting distracted a lot. So part of me would be meditating, be like in the zone with what he was talking about, and then I'd start thinking about how am I going to edit this video, or what's next week's theme, or, oh my God, they're playing Christmas music, this is my jam. So I did find myself drifting off, but every time that I drifted off, I would just try to recenter, and by doing that, I would just breathe and go in and out and in and out. And he had a count where it was breathe in for 3 seconds, hold for 3 seconds, and let out for 6 seconds. So it was a good kind of structure to fall back on every time I would get a little distracted and think like, oh, maybe this isn't for me. So the other thing that I really loved about today's meditation was that idea of non-attachment. And it's something I've always wanted to explore, but never really gone around to it. And it's letting go of all the expectations. And I know what you're thinking, like you talk about living with intention all the time, but that is the intention of just being rather than the intention of this is how I want it to be and this is what everything has to go my way, because the reality is it's never gonna go your way and you're always going to be disappointed. So no expectations, no disappointments. I think I've been saying that since I was in like 7th grade, but it's true, and it's true reality. And I really loved the fact that this meditation focused on that, of letting go of all the things that you think it should be, and rather just focus on being and being present, and you'll live a happier life. I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of Mindfulness. It was so fun to make, and I hope you enjoy it. Definitely, if you found value from this, you can share it with your friends and family down below, and click the red subscribe button to get updates. But the only way to truly get notified is to hit the bell next to the subscription button, and then I'll notify you when the next video is up. But this is a conversation, and I want it to be, so leave me a comment down below letting me know how you're going to implement mindfulness, or whether or not you're interested in meditation, or what your experience has been in the past. I'm interested in hearing about it, and let me know how it goes. And if you want to get involved, you can use the hashtag #TheNowProject on social media so that we can start having a conversation on all platforms. For now, don't forget to live sustainably and consciously, and I will see you in my next video.